This is the Lumia 830. It's a beautiful blend of metal and polycarbonate that feels as good as it looks and comes in orange, green, black or white. The sharp 5-inch screen really makes colours pop, even in bright sunlight. And text is super easy to read. But the Lumia 830 is more than just good looks. There's 16GB of internal memory, plus you can add a memory card of up to 128GB. It has a 10MP pure view camera, Zeiss optics and optical image stabilisation. You can shoot video in Full HD, and with optical image stabilisation you get really smooth results. Your photos and videos can automatically be uploaded to OneDrive, where you have 15GB of free online storage. You can create folders to safely share your pictures and videos with your family, friends and other groups. The Lumia 830 also takes awesome photos at night, and with some simple camera controls for adjusting exposure, shutter speed and more, you're always able to capture the moment perfectly. Sometimes a picture is so good everyone needs to see it. And if a picture isn't enough, you can always share the moment by chatting or creating a video on Skype. With pure view imaging, automatic syncing and easy sharing, the Lumia 830 brings your world together in style.